Welcome back, guys. Quick video here about integration, how to integrate ClickFunnels with GetResponse. So what you do, you go to email marketing here, your GetResponse account, go to integrations and API, and you go to API here. You could either copy this one depending on how you've done it, but if it's blank, just go to generate API, copy. Then you come here and you go to account settings. Should take you here, and it goes to integrations. Now, I've created this just for demonstration purposes, but basically what you do is you give it a name, wherever you want to give it, 002, and then you paste your key in there, and it creates it. So that's all there is to it. And now if you go back to your funnels, because I've created a GetResponse 1, what we can do is we'll go back to, so if we go here, edit page, you just go to settings, integration. So we can do remove integration just for the sake of this example. Go to GetResponse, or the one you've got, the one you just created, add to campaign, and then you can choose whatever list you want to put it in. So in this case, it's the red tea detox. And that's it, you're connected. So when you go back here, it's a tick. Simple way to integrate, and it should work. I had a problem with this when I first started. It wasn't integrating, so I had to do it manually. I had to go here to and create a form. And then I had to create a HTML, and I had to copy this code. So I had to copy this code, and I had to paste it into, where's it gone? There's a box here, you have to paste it in there. Then I contacted GetResponse, and they put my GetResponse on a previous version, which then the integration started working. So if you do have that problem, contact GetResponse, and what they'll do is they'll either upgrade your API or downgrade it. So if you do get that problem, because it was really making my head scratch. I was like, what's going on here? And I kept going to ClickFunnels and finding out, emailing them, trying to find out what it is. And we went back and forth for 3-4 months, and that's all it was. All it was is to get in touch with GetResponse and tell them, look, my API isn't integrating with ClickFunnels, and they'll just put you on a previous version. So just to save you the headache, if that happens, just make sure you contact GetResponse. Okay, guys? So I'll see you in your next video. And for now on, I'll see you in the next video. See you in the next video. Bye.